Shopping for car parts can definitely be an overwhelming process, especially if you don't know where to start. Lucky for you, Toyota of Clermont is here to help.
Finding the right car parts can be time consuming. You have to choose between OEM or aftermarket car parts. Let's go with OEM first.
OEM stands for Original Equipment Manufacturer. These are genuine Toyota parts made by the manufacturer for the car. Perks of buying OEM parts include peace of mind. Some OEM parts come with individual warranties. They're easier to find if you have a newer model, and you maintain your car's warranty. Then you have aftermarket parts. These parts fit your vehicle but aren't from its original manufacturer. The perks of aftermarket parts include sometimes being cheaper than OEM parts, offering a wider selection of car parts, and they can be the same quality as OEM parts, but you'll need to do your research first. But like we said before, aftermarket car parts might not come with warranties, and they might void your car's warranty. That's two problems in one. That's why we recommend using genuine Toyota parts for your car. Need to fix an issue or looking for some new accessories for your ride? You can stop by Toyota of Clermont's parts shop to shop OEM parts or order them online today.